Going? Okay. Now, you guys all today witnessed at least 4 critiques. And you saw how that checklist of stuff that you're supposed to have by reading the project prompt I'm using, right, to give you guys a critique. Everything has to have 2 feet of differential except floors. You can't have coplanar surfaces. We've added some stuff that you can't overhang the edges of the topo because that's your property line. We talked about the views. And so all of this stuff is kind of coming together now, and you're having to kind of put that into practice. So what I am looking for Wednesday is for you to have your design, right, further articulated, responding to the things that you heard me talking about today. Okay? So you are to produce a new floor plan. Okay, revised so that you don't have any coplanar surfaces, so that you're not overhanging the site, so that your rooms are looking out at the view. Now, we today covered what the interior of the stuff is supposed to look like, right? And so what I'm going to ask you to do is on that floor plan, you are to show me what the interior looks like, including the stairs. So we just talked a few minutes ago about how you draw stairs, right? So let me ask you a question. In your project, how far is it from this line to that line? 9 inches. It's 6 inches vertically, but 9 inches this way. How many 6-inch risers do you need to go up 2 feet? 4. 6 and 6 is 12. Plus 6 is 18, plus 6 is 24, right? So if you've got 2 feet of differential, you're going to have to show 4 risers and a flat area at the top and bottom. Okay? Any questions? So also for Wednesday, you guys are to make sure you've kind of gone through the reading, that you've had a lot of time to read that stuff so you can take the quiz on the collision. All right. Then the other thing that I want you guys to do is in your design, you know that you have to interpenetrate all these things, right? You've already done the interpenetration of the bathroom to the bedroom, correct? That's this one right here. So those two are engaging each other. That's done. You guys started to do this one, right? Now, I showed Hardy how she might be able to flip it around to where the higher part is the living room and the lower part's the dining room. But she's going to have to do some studying on where the corridor attaches to make sure that everything fits. So what's left now is, in your design, is to start thinking about how much does the bedroom push into the corridor. That's one. Okay. And how much does the corridor bite into the living room, dining room, kitchen? How much do the corridors bite into each other? How much do they interpenetrate? And how much does the study kind of connect? Okay? So when you guys come back, you should be able to point to your plan and say, I'm moving these, I'm penetrating these this much. As a matter of fact, I want your plan to reflect how much penetration you're getting. So now your plan, you're going to have to do a little bit of thinking. So you won't be able to just draw your plan based on the outline. You'll have to kind of push the cube over and draw it so that it's poking in. All right? So like if this is my corridor here, notice how that's poking in. So I want your plan drawn like that. All right? Okay. Questions? No questions? Ryan?
Are the collision readings on Canvas?
I believe so. Or no, they're all the collision readings come out of Arc Daily, I think, for the most part. And they're posted somewhere on there, right?
They're going to get posted. No, I haven't posted them yet. The articles?
Yeah.
The collision articles? Not posted.
Oh, okay. Then no, don't worry about studying for Wednesday. Let's do those next week. But stop. They will be posted today. Start reading them today, but I'm going to give you a a full week, so probably next Wednesday to take the quizzes. Okay? And please don't forget that your collision, not your collision, your subtraction models are now due, right, next Monday, 1 week from today. All right, questions? No? All right, stop the video.